Baie welkom by vandag by Kersfees 2025 se Kerskonsert. Ek is Danica Snyman, julle host. Dit is vir Philippa van Wyk, Bianca Snyman, Chanel Snyman, Hendrik van Wyk en Janku Snyman. Julle kan sien met die hande klap. Ek wil ook net vir julle kennis neem. Ons gaan 'n paar skrikwekkende aksies doen. Moet asseblief nie uitfreek en die show onderbreek nie. Alles is onder beheer. En vir die wat nog nie weet, ek is verloor.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, the mistletoe is somewhere you can see. Somebody waits for you. Yes, once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas.
Wow! Wat is er straks in die rare klap?
Wow!
Ja, dan doen ze mazels rond de die toetsen zit.
Dit is weer